The world stands on the precipice of a new era in wireless communication, a revolution that promises to transform our lives in ways we can only begin to imagine. Beyond the horizon of 5G lies the promise of 6G technology, a leap that will redefine the very fabric of connectivity. This is not merely an incremental upgrade. 6G represents a paradigm shift, a fundamental reimagining of what connectivity can be, pushing the boundaries of innovation and technology. Imagine a world where data travels at the speed of thought, where the latency is so low that it feels instantaneous. In this world, billions of devices communicate seamlessly, creating an interconnected web of smart technology that enhances every aspect of our daily lives. The boundaries between the physical and digital realms will blur, merging our realities into a cohesive, augmented experience. This is the future that 6G promises to unlock, a future where technology is seamlessly integrated into our environment. The implications of this technological leap are profound, touching every corner of our existence. 6G has the potential to revolutionize industries, reshape societies, and redefine our very relationship with the digital world. From healthcare and education to manufacturing and entertainment, the possibilities are endless. 6G will touch every aspect of our lives, making our interactions with technology more intuitive and immersive. But what exactly is 6G, and how will it differ from the networks of today? What new capabilities will it bring, and how will it transform our world? Let's delve deeper into the exciting world of 6G technology, exploring the innovations and breakthroughs that will define the next generation of connectivity. 6G is the sixth generation of wireless communication technology, representing a monumental leap forward in our digital evolution. It will succeed and surpass the capabilities of 5G, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. Offering significantly faster speeds, lower latency, and greater capacity, 6G will revolutionize the way we interact with technology. While 5G brought us faster downloads and smoother streaming, 6G aims to connect everything around us in ways never before imagined, creating a truly interconnected world. It will be the invisible fabric that binds together a world increasingly reliant on data and connectivity, enabling new possibilities in every aspect of life. One key differentiator of 6G is its focus on integrating the physical, digital, and biological worlds, creating a seamless blend of reality and technology. This means that 6G will not only connect devices but also enable seamless interactions between humans and machines, enhancing our daily experiences. Imagine a world where your smartphone can translate your thoughts into text, making communication more intuitive and efficient, or control smart home appliances with a mere glance, simplifying tasks and enhancing convenience. These are just a few examples of the transformative potential of 6G technology. It promises to reshape industries, improve quality of life, and drive innovation in ways we're only beginning to imagine. Prepare yourself for a world of ultra-high speed and unparalleled capacity. 6G is expected to deliver speeds up to 1 terabit per second. To put that in perspective, that's 1,000 times faster than current 5G networks. Imagine downloading an entire HD movie in a fraction of a second, or experiencing virtual reality environments that are indistinguishable from the real world. This unprecedented speed will be accompanied by ultra-low latency, the delay between sending a request and receiving a response. 6G aims to reduce latency to microseconds, making real-time interactions seamless and instantaneous. This will be crucial for applications like remote surgery, autonomous driving, and immersive gaming, where even the slightest delay can have significant consequences. To achieve these remarkable speeds and low latency, 6G will rely on a range of technological advancements. One of the most significant is the use of higher frequency bands, particularly in the terahertz range. These frequencies offer significantly more bandwidth, allowing for faster data transmission rates. However, they also present unique challenges. Terahertz waves have a shorter range and are more easily absorbed by obstacles like walls and foliage. To overcome these limitations, 6G will require innovative solutions such as advanced antenna designs, beamforming techniques, and the use of reconfigurable intelligent surfaces. These technologies will help to direct and focus terahertz signals, extending their range and improving their reliability. Section 5. Applications across industries reshaping our world. The applications of 6G technology are as vast as they are transformative. From healthcare and education to manufacturing and entertainment, 6G has the potential to revolutionize virtually every industry. Let's explore some of the key areas where 6G is poised to make a significant impact. In healthcare, 6G will enable remote surgery, allowing surgeons to operate on patients from anywhere in the world. It will also facilitate the development of personalized medicine, with wearable sensors continuously monitoring patients' vital signs and providing real-time feedback to doctors. In education, 6G will create immersive and interactive learning experiences, connecting students and teachers in virtual classrooms that transcend geographical boundaries. Section 6. Smart cities and beyond. 6G as the catalyst for a connected future. Imagine a city where traffic flows seamlessly, energy consumption is optimized, and every aspect of urban life is interconnected. Public safety is enhanced through a network of interconnected sensors and devices, creating a safer environment for all residents. This is the promise of smart cities, where technology and innovation come together to improve quality of life. And 6G will be the invisible backbone that makes it all possible, providing the necessary infrastructure for these advancements. With its ultra-high speed and low latency, 6G will revolutionize how data is transmitted and received. 6G will enable real-time data collection and analysis, allowing cities to monitor and manage critical infrastructure more efficiently than ever before. This means that issues can be detected and addressed promptly, ensuring the smooth operation of urban systems. Autonomous vehicles will communicate with each other and with traffic management systems to optimize routes and reduce congestion, making commutes faster and more efficient. Traffic lights and signals will be part of this intelligent network, adapting in real time to changing conditions. Smart grids will balance energy supply and demand, reducing waste and promoting sustainability by integrating renewable energy sources. Energy-efficient buildings will further contribute to a greener future, utilizing advanced technologies to minimize consumption. And advanced surveillance systems will enhance public safety by detecting and responding to incidents in real time, ensuring a secure environment. Law enforcement and emergency services will be able to act swiftly, leveraging smart technology to protect and serve the community more effectively. Section 7. Challenges on the horizon. Overcoming technical hurdles. While the potential of 6G is immense, so too are the challenges that lie ahead. One of the biggest hurdles is the development of cost-effective and energy-efficient THZ hardware. Existing THZ devices are often bulky, expensive, and power-hungry, making them unsuitable for widespread deployment. Another challenge is the need for new network architectures and protocols that can handle the unprecedented speeds and capacity of 6G. Traditional network designs are not equipped to handle the massive amounts of data that 6G will generate, so innovative solutions will be required. Additionally, security and privacy concerns must be addressed from the outset to ensure that 6G networks are resilient to cyber attacks and that users' data is protected. Section 8. Global collaboration, paving the way for 6G deployment. The development and deployment of 6G technology is a global endeavor, requiring collaboration between governments, research institutions, and industry leaders. Numerous initiatives are already underway around the world to lay the groundwork for 6G. In the United States, the Federal Communications Commission, FCC, has opened up experimental spectrum licenses for 6G research and development. In Europe, the Hexa-X project, funded by the European Union, is bringing together leading telecommunications companies and research institutions to develop key 6G technologies. And in Asia, countries like China, Japan, and South Korea are investing heavily in 6G research and development, eager to be at the forefront of this technological revolution. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing the transformative power of 6G, the future is fast approaching and it's powered by 6G. This revolutionary technology has the potential to reshape our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. From ultra-high-speed downloads to immersive virtual reality experiences, from smart cities to life-saving medical applications, 6G will touch every aspect of our lives. While challenges remain, the global research and development efforts underway give us reason for optimism. The journey towards 6G is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of progress. As we stand on the cusp of this new era of connectivity, one thing is certain: the future is bright and it's hyper-connected.